Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Tech Taylor. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to set up TikTok Shop. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, we're to TikTok. After that, what you want to do is click the new profile on the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, click on three dots, which is on the top right corner of your screen, and click on Settings. Now, click on Accounts and click on TikTok Shop for Self. Now, for TikTok Shop setup, all you gotta do is sign up with Google, sign up with TikTok account, or simply enter your credentials and click Continue. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks would be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.